Wight Potter fans, today I'm going to continue a project the lovely and vivacious Mary, the Ma in Ma Sasa, started, and that is cleaning the rub rail. And you can see where she cleaned and where she stopped. We have tried all kinds of products, and the only thing that is working at this point is acetone. So I'm going to continue with that project, and we will hopefully make it nice. I've put the letters on the boat, named her Masasa, and I'll try to get the boat out and take a better picture of her. So off to work using acetone to clean the rub rail. End of this one.